Apple released the smart battery case for the iPhone 11s and 11 Pros this week, and it's just a quick look at whether you should probably buy one, or is it something you can just completely ignore and get on with your life. These cases are new for the iPhone 11s and 11 Pros, but we've kind of seen it all before, except this time there's a slight difference on these new battery cases. First of all, the colours. They come in white, pink, and black. I've actually found it quite hard to find a case that goes with the gold 11 Pro Max, but that's a whole other story. But let's have a look at the case, and firstly, it's a bit of a chunk. It's not exactly light either. And as you can see, it adds 100 grams to the weight of the iPhone. So the weight of the iPhone is just over 200 grams on its own. You add the case to it, and then we're looking at over 300. And on something that small, you can actually tell the weight difference, even though it is only 100 grams. I'm all for having longer battery life on a phone, but for something like this, it makes it look like you're having one of those phones from the 80s. If you've ever had any of the silicone Apple cases before from the Apple store, then you'll know the exact feel of this case because it's made out of the exact same silicone on the back of the case as one of those ones. What I found though with any silicone case, and especially this one, is that it's really difficult to get out of your pocket. A, because of the silicone, it sticks to the inside, and B, that battery hump is huge. That hump though holds a 1430 milliamp hour battery, and Apple says you get 50% more battery life on an iPhone 11 Pro Max with the battery case than you do than the standard battery inside the phone. And so far I've managed about 2 days using the smart battery case, so I've not charged it in a couple of days. But I don't know, I just don't think that the extra bulk on this stupid case is worth the extra battery life on a phone that already has incredible battery life. One thing that might make you want to buy this case is that now it has a dedicated camera button on the side. That means that whenever you press this button, no matter what app you're in or where you are in the phone, you put your finger down and it will take you to the camera app. When you're in the camera app, you can use it as a shutter button as well. And I know you can use the volume rockers for that, but this is actually a little better place to be able to take the photos. Annoyingly though, if you want to take any video using this camera button, you can, but you do have to keep your finger down the entire time. So not ideal really. And I tried switching just the record button, you know, that's on the camera app, and it wouldn't have it. So maybe they'll update that in a bit of a software update, but at the moment you can't do it. Like I said before, I don't know whether the price for this case, which by the way is £129, is worth A, the money, and B, the bulkiness on the phone to have that extra battery life. The 11 Pro Max and 11 Pro have already incredible battery life, which will easily see you through a day. So far, I don't think I've got to the end of the day and run out of battery at all yet. Maybe if you've got an iPhone 11, the smart battery case might be worth it. Or if you're going on like a hike and plan on living in a cave for 2 days, then yeah, the battery case would be worth it. But other than that, I just don't personally think you need this if you have an iPhone 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. If you've got any questions about this smart battery case, then drop them below and I'll come back to you and I'll give you any of the answers that I can do. If you're going to get one or have one, let me know why you've got one as well. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram and on Twitter as well. It's @OnePaulJ. And until next time, see you later.